Hey, what's up you guys? Gediminas here. Hope you guys are doing fantastically well. And today I wanted to talk about duplication, and are you making this huge mistake in your business when it comes to duplication? So if you're watching a replay of this video, please do me a massive favor and stick hashtag replay into the comments. If you're brand new, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, please do say new in the comments as well. And if you get value from this video, feel free to share it. Maybe somebody else will get some value too. So today I wanted to talk about separation anxiety. So before we get to that, let's talk about duplication in your business. And we all know that in network marketing, one of the most important factors for your business is how duplicatable it is. We always say it doesn't matter what works in your business, what matters is what duplicates. You may be doing something that's getting you the result, but if your team can't repeat that, if your team can't duplicate that, then your business can't grow. It cannot expand and it cannot scale, right? So there's 4 steps to duplication. Step 1, we sell the product or service using the word of mouth advertising, right? So we recommend our products, our services to other people and they buy from us. So that's step 1 in our business. Step 2, we build an ever expanding team, right? So we introduce other people who do the same thing, who introduce other people, and that's how the network, hence network marketing, right? So we create the network of consumers, sellers, and recommenders, right? So the business starts building, right? Then number 3, we duplicate the process, right? So now that we are selling and we're recruiting other people, we now start teaching other people how to recruit other people too, so that our network can start expanding. It's not just us introducing new people, but our people introducing other people and those people introducing other people. Hence, it starts expanding, right? And then number 4, the final step is to lead our teams. Right? Which means we're now leading our teams who lead their own huge organizations, and that's where we get to make really big money. We're having the freedom, the time freedom, the money freedom, etc. Amazing, right? Now, the problem is that a lot of people in network marketing only get to step 2. So they sell the products and they recruit other people. But if all you do is sell other products and recruit other people, then all you have is a job because it's only you who's doing it, right? Then when you get to step 3 and 4, which means when you start duplicating, when your people start recruiting other people, and when you start leading the teams, that's the business, right? So the first 2 are the job, the second 2 are the business, right? That's where we really get the duplication and where we really get to scale our business. But there's a challenge. A lot of people don't get duplication in their business, and they don't get that exponential growth, and they don't get that scaling because they stop the duplication, because they prevent the duplication from happening. Why? Because of what I put in the title of this video, the separation anxiety. They are scared, they are feeling anxious that their team don't need them anymore. You see, if you do your job properly as a leader and you train your team members everything that you know, there will come a day when they don't need you anymore, because they learned everything they can learn from you and now they can build their business independently. And that's where a lot of leaders feel anxious. They feel bad about it. Like, why don't they need me anymore? Why aren't they inviting me to the trainings anymore? Why, right? And they stop their team from growing. They stop them because they don't want that to happen. Whereas the actual reality is that that's the whole objective of the business. Your goal should be, as a leader, to become irrelevant. Your goal as a leader is to become unnecessary, is to get to the point where your team doesn't need you anymore. That's the best leadership. That's the best thing you can do. That's the only way to create the true duplication. If you no longer needed by your team and your team still keeps on growing, that's the duplication, my friend. Because if your team is not growing without you pushing them, without you screaming at them, without you doing all the work for them, then that's not duplication. Then you're still in the job phase of your business. But when your business starts growing without you anymore, because you've trained them, you teach them, you gave them all the information, and you can carry on building new and new legs all the time, that's when the true duplication happens, and that's when the true freedom and the true scaling of your business happens. So I hope this was useful. I hope you're going to use some of this information that you learned. That's it for today, my friends. If you got value, feel free to share it. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you at the top. Bye for now.